Okay, well, I'm getting kind of a late start today. It's a beautiful day though. Dude, you ready to go? Yeah, dude, you're okay. Got the dogs loaded up in the trailer. We're gonna head up to Avalanche. Let me see if I can show you where Avalanche is. So back here, I don't know if you can see those mountains. It should be right up in there. So we'll give it a whirl. We'll catch back with you soon. Okay, we got the truck parked. We're at Avalanche. Got the dogs loaded. They've been out here playing like crazy. All these tracks are them, just running around. That's the entrance, so we didn't have to come too far in here. So we're gonna head way back up there and see how far we can make it. There's a lot of snow up here, so I'm not sure, but we're gonna give it a shot. Dude. Dude, look at me. Look at that. What do you think, dude? Huh? Looks like the beavers have been busy here. Look at that. 1, 2, maybe 3 up. Yeah, 3 over there. At least 3 dams. Busy, busy beavers. See? Come on, Celie. Huh? Well, I found a really cool spot for a fire. Let me show you here. Fire. There's a big fire. I forgot the chainsaw. Look at the roads down there. I found a really cool spot. Check this out. Nobody's back here. Dogs like to play. Right, Celie? Yeah. The road's maybe 50 yards that way, so not too far away. It's pretty close. Look at this fire though. Look at that. Give it a whirl here. Let's see here. Oh yeah, that looks much better. Let's see if it's any good. Let's see if it's done. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh man, I got the smoke coming in my eyes here. Let's give it a shot. That's really good. It's so good. Okay, back in the truck. We had a fun day. Right, girls? They're both kind of sleeping over there. I want to show you this. So this is at the end of Avalanche. Something like cool I always see here. Check that out. It's like an old way to transport water from the creek here. Pretty neat. And that's coming out of the mouth there. So yeah, we had a fun day up there. Didn't see any animals. Got lots of snow up there. Oh, it was crazy the amount of snow. So we'll have to do it again later.